Right, this is the waveform of the output of the full wave bridge on an Iboost, which is approximately 320 volts peak. Alright, carrying on from that, now you're seeing the Iboost voltage go to zero, so that's 320 volt peak going to zero because now it's energized the IGBT. Alright, you'll see the power ramping up on the display. Alright, at the moment that's full output, and now you can see some power output from there. Okay, waveform shown there with the scope whizzing away there. You can see a PWM waveform within the full wave rectified waveform, and as I zoom on it you can obviously see it chopping it up. So that's what's actually going on. It chops up the waveform tighter or looser, as you can see there. Look at all the little slots. Okay, depending upon what power output's required. More power output is required, there's less of a gap there, and as you can see as we start winding it up, power output amounts to something about 600 watts and going up. Word of warning, do not use motors or anything else except a heating element on the Iboost, because as you can see it is putting out DC only. I've seen a couple of motors burned out like this where people think they could put an AC motor on it for various applications. Right, this is the Immersun T1060, which is part of the whole Eddy family thing. As you can see it's setting itself up there, going through the setup, which normally you wouldn't do, but just to show what's going on there roughly. Okay, right, the killing point with this is that it puts out arguably a true AC waveform, whereas the Iboost only puts out a DC waveform, as you saw just now. Now then, it should show you in a second what's going on there. Right, we're doing a load right now. That's the output. Quite a few odd harmonics in it, as you can see, because it's clipping at the tops and the bottoms, but that is a true AC waveform. Approximately 320 volts at the top, going to zero, going to minus 320 volts, and there it is collapsing to 0 volts. Alright, and winding back up again to 320. So you can use these for powering heater loads, obviously, and electric motors. If you've got an electric motor application like a stratification pump or whatever, it's a bit of a better product than the Iboost, purely for that reason only. But a little bit more complex, right? A lot more stuff and features.